It's Jessie, baby. Almost missed my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, could you call them off for me? You always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I'm never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chillin' on the west side, boo. Come on home, go tell your best friend he could slide through on the low or remote location. I don't want them to see me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tired crew. They won't tell cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Hit me on my phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You did something, cause shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wild side, cutting all ties with them other guys. Where you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You make me wanna come through 2:15 just to put it down on you. You make me wanna replay all of the things that you and me we do. Look at what you made me wanna do. I drop all my niggas for you. Got my feelings running on a loop. This ain't what I'm really used to. You make me wanna. It's Jessie, baby.